Good morning, students. I welcome you all for the Sheba Group of School online class. I am really very happy to be with you once again. So, now we are in the new year with the blessing of God. We are going to be a successful person this year. May the Almighty God be with us and yourself and your family. And we wish you the Happy New Year for you. So, this again I am going to take these poetic lines. 1 and 2 we have already completed, unit 1 and 2. Now we are in the third unit. So, lines written in early spring. So, written by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is a nature poet. So, he always talks about the nature. Nature should be loved. And nature is a beautiful. God created all the natural things for a human being before he created man. So this is a planned, God's plan that man should enjoy each and every part of his life. So everything he created first. So then only he created man and women to live, and he gave the authority to rule over the garden or the life which is everything. All the plants, animals, everything is being under the control of man. So let us go into the thing. Page number, you got to go to your book, 11th standard students. So 86. So find the words of the poem that convey the following ideas connected together. So the word is blended, which is given here. Spread over the surface of the ground in a static manner, trialed. Make out or understand, resume. And slender woody shoots growing from branches or stem is called as the twigs. Now we are in the page 87. Read the lines given below, and it's my faith that every flower. So here we are going to see the lines. So what is poet's faith? The poet has faith that a beautiful flower enjoys every ounce of the air they breathe. So first they breathe and they give out they take in carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen. So as soon as they start breathing, we start to breathe. What trial of nature do we see here? Nature's fair work is still very much at work. It doesn't stop. Man, they take rest for certain time. But the nature doesn't take, it is going on. And be in the primrose. Primrose is a rose which is given here, or the periwinkle. Every flower enjoys. So nature always enjoys. Human being also, we should enjoy. So next one. And I must think, do all I can. What did the poet notice about the twigs? Twigs are the small branches which they fall down. So the twigs are the newborn. So only when they fall down, new twigs, branches they grow, and the new leaves grow there. So new, explain to watch so they also, the new ones, the new grown leaves also enjoy the breeze. What was the poet's thought about them? The poet believes that the twigs are enjoying the breeze. So they move here and there. They don't stand. So when they move, what they happen? The poet says that they really enjoy breathing, and mentioned that there is a pleasure in the hidden in. So everything has to be enjoyed by human beings. So the plants, they do it. So we also as human being. If this brief from heaven be sent, in such a nature's holy plan, already I told you, it's a God's plan which made this heaven and earth. First he created, then only he created man. So what does heaven refers here? Heaven refers to the place of the Creator where God lives. So the aim of us is to live here. It is a temporary life in this world here which we live. But we are going to live with God. That is called as an eternal life. Always enjoying ourselves. There is no cry. There is no pain. Nothing is there. So we are going to enjoy. So we are going to the creature place who gave this nature. What does the poet call it? Holy. So holy is the thing which every human being should have. be holy as I am holy. Okay, said by Jesus Christ. So, holiness, pureness, very important. The poet calls nature's work as holy as it is God's work from heaven. So, he says that it is a glorious and it is a work, and holy is a place where God lives. So, wherever God lives, it's a home also. You got the godly people living there, your parents. So, you have to respect them and you have to give due love to Him as you are giving to God, because parents are the representative of God. God has sent our parents for us to take care of us. So next thing is, we are going to the ERC. Already I told you, explain the second one. First is the paragraph answer given in page number 86. The words are also given there. You have to fill up the words and you have to write it as a paragraph and you have to be ready. Most probably you have to write the own, don't write use own words. You have to take down from the book. Next we saw the read the line. Next is explains reference to context. I am going to take only one. There is three there. In that sweet mood. See that on page number 87. So in that sweet mood. So reference already. First thing you have to write the reference. These lines are taken from the poem, lines written in March, written in early spring by William Wordsworth. Next is the context, is how the poet, when the poet, in what situation the poet writes. When the poet talks about the beauty of nature, he talks about the beauty of nature. So only in the spring season what happened? All the trees will be full of flowers. So he states that the two lines. Next thing, the explanation, when the poet William Wordsworth sits reclining, its beauty grows. So it sits in a garden where there are fruits and other things grow. Is a tree where trees where it's been in a line planted. So surrounded by the mixed sound of nature, birds sing. And every creation of nature has some sound. Nobody will keep quiet. If you go to the shore of the sea, you see the sound of the sea. When you go to your waterfalls, or wherever you go, the leaves and other things, when you stand near the tree also, there will be some sounds. It proves that they are alive. So whenever you are alive, you will be leading a happy life. He thinks about the sad thoughts. So what happened? Sometimes what happened? The sad thoughts comes and destroys our happiness. So you should not allow that. So that is why God created nature for us. So when you have a thought like that, what you have to do is, you have to remove it and put a new thought, the godly thought. God is with us forever and ever. So you should have that thought. And here he described the bittersweet moment which reminds him of this mystery of humanity. So people, they destroy. So what he thinks is, God creation, He has created the heaven and earth for us. But what human beings are doing is they destroy all this thing and they, for their selfishness, they take everything. So next is the personifications or figure of speech. So it's given there. So, and the question answer is given here. To her work did nature her. So here he talks about the human being, personification. So mostly the poem talks about human feelings. So next is also personification, where the human soul, only the human has got soul in him. The other animals, they don't have all the other nature. But God created the soul for us to reason which is right and which is wrong. So he calls it as a personification. Third one, the man He made of man. Man was created on his own image. God created every man on his own image. Whatever you see in yourself, you can see in God. The same way, whatever you see in God, you can see in yourself. Everything is a give and take policy. So we have to take God's good deeds for our life. So leave away all our unwanted things and take good things in our life. So this is the poem which talks about it. The paragraph answer, it is given here, number is given. The first one, bower, grow. So first one you have to write grew, Grove. Second word is pleasant. Third is nature. Fourth one is distressed. Fifth one calm. Sixth one is bower. 7th one breezy, 8th one peace, and 9th one sorrow. So this is the poem. You have to go through it and go through the question and answer which is given here also. I have already sent the question answers for you. So go through the question answers and keep ready with your lesson. So take this in mind. So the next poem, now we are in Unit 4, Macavity, the Mystery Cat by T.S. Eliot. So already we have seen the poem and I also given you the question answers and you have written it in your classwork. Now once again we are going to see you have to go through the glossary because you may be asked questions only from that also. They will be asking some question. Next I have given you the short answers. Then the paragraph is given here on page number 129. So it's summary. You have to write the words which has been given in the box here. So you have to write the correct words. Then you have got some. Read the lines. Mr. Macavity, a mystery cat. He called the hidden paw. So now we are going to the part. So does the poet talks about the real dog? No, he compares how human beings are. So the poet talks about the fictional character. It is an imaginary. There is no cat who is like that. But he compares with a human being and he gives a fictional. Fictional means imaginary. Why is he called as a hidden paw? He is called as a hidden paw because he is the master criminal. So some people they will be very silent. We cannot judge the person. Also we will be silent, but he will be doing all the criminal work. So that is the cat's thing. So he will be sitting quietly. If you turn this side, what happened? He will take the fish or something and he will be running away. So the master, he will be thinking, the mind is always be criminal thinking, all bad things will be there. So what you have to do is, he talks about that. Here he is the bafflement of the Scott Yard. So it's on page number 130. So what is Scotland Yard? The Scotland Yard is the headquarters of the London Metropolitan Police Service. So the Scotland Yard is the headquarters for the police there, where we call it the CBI here. So what happened there? All the criminals and every case will be there, and all the list of the person will be there in London. So what does the flying squad feel disappointed? The flying squad feels they will be moving here and there. But still, this Macavity, what it will do? It will dodge the person because every time they rush. So when they hear the message, they rush to the spot. But for the disappointment, there won't be anything. Macavity, he will not be there. Next thing is, he says, see on the third tone, he says his head from side to side. To explain the comparison made, the movement of the Macavity is like a snake. So snake, what happened? It won't keep quiet. It will be moving his head here and there. While he is moving, he says his head from side to side like a snake. What does the pretend to do? He pretend of sleep, as if he is sleeping, but he won't sleep. He will be always cunningly thinking about what to do next. So, but he will be pretending like that. So next one, for he is a friend in Flint's space. How is the cat described in this line? Macavity is described as a devil in the shape of a cat. People are like that. So when you look at their face, they will be like an angel. But the inner part, when they show their inner part or their original figure, they will be like a devil. So here also it talks about that. He is also referred to the monster. Monster is the biggest creature which always does harm to human being. So next is, explain the phrase monster of depravity. Monster of depravity means the guilty or evil quality, moral corruption, the corruption of the morality. Morality is very important for a person. Yeah, so when the person is with moral living, they can lead a very pure and pleasant life and they can receive God's blessing. So morality of a person is very important. Next is, and his foods are found. Here, explain the comparison made. So next, for he is a friend in friends. How is the cat described? So next thing, and his footprints. Fifth one, he seems to be challenged this courtyard. McVitie never leaves the footprint. Usually cats and other things, they leave the footprint, the paws will be there, but here he doesn't leave. And there is no trace of evidence. Nobody can say who has done this, and you cannot arrest him because you should have a person for you. It seems the challenge to the Scotland police. So the Scotland police were always confused. What do they need is footstep. They need a footstep to arrest him. Next, it must have been McVitie. Yes, so when you think about it, he is miles away. What is the McVitie blamed for? McVitie is blamed for missing the file. So nobody can find out the person. Where is he? He is expected to be a miles away from the place. So next thing is we got the ERC. Already I told you we have got 5 here. You have to go through the first one. What is the first one? Is power of a lamb would make the. So these lines are taken from the poem McVitie the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot. The next thing is contest. McVitie's power of floating in air. He floats in the air like a flyer, like a feather. Feather, what happens when you keep it, throw it in the air, it will be tossing here and there, and you will not find it. So in order to escape from the scene of crime, McVitie jumps. His power jumping here and there, and he escapes from the sight of the person. So next is F. Figure of speech. Identify the literary device. See, the figure of speech is given here. So, on page number 130. So, he saw, it's a simile. He said is side to side. See, it's like the word. Like is given there. So, you have to underline that word like. Wherever like, S-O, so, and A-S, as. If these 3 things appear in the line, you have to say it as it's a simile. And he says he created at cards. So cheating is the thing which has been done by human. So it's a personification. There is also alliteration there. C, cheat and a card. So next is given here. To give the 4 instance of the poet. So first line you got McVitie, M. Then third line you got Scotland and squad. 6th line you got broken and breaks. So there are many things like that. It goes on. Each and every line has got many types of alliteration are there in this poem. So pick out the rhyming words. So McVitie, all these are the rhyming word. So important poetic device. So here it goes on. So the rhyming words and everything is being given here. So dear students, you go through this and keep this in your mind and revise all these lessons which will be useful. Prose, poetry and supplementary, you have to read unit 1, 2, and now you are in the 3rd and 4th answer and the 4th portion. So the portion is like that. So take care of you. God bless you and take care of you. Thank you very much, students. Thank you once and all.